Hello. Today we'll have a look at how to create table components in your Lumira Designer Applications. So as you can see in the Components tab, we have table components. We have three different types. So the cross tab is the default Lumira Designer table component. It is it it has limited formatting options, but allows the most interactivity and data manipulation. The scorecard is a much more complex type of table um, where you have to identify each individual column. However, it also gives you the opportunity to create columns with many um, many charts, and also allows you to specify exactly what objects do you want to display. And finally, the spreadsheet, which basically looks like an Excel spreadsheet and has the least formatting options and the least interactivity options. It's basically just for show. So in our case, we'll use the cross tab because it is the default one. So just like with any of the components, you click on the component you want and you drag and drop it anywhere in your canvas. Now, as you see, we have a big message with assign a data source, and this is linked to the last video where we created the data source and created and set the initial view of that data source. So this is where this comes in, and it's very easy. It's in the properties itself. In the data binding, you can assign a data source to your object. So in our case, we'll use the data source that we modified in the last video, which is quantity sold. So we specify here the data source, and as you can see, it populates it exactly as the view was set up to look like. Now, as mentioned, the cross-tab component allows you a lot of interactivity options, as well as certain display options as well, and it allows you to specify certain events when you select either a row, a data cell, or a column. And of course, we can specify the layout within the canvas. So this has been a video on how to create table components, and as you can see, it is pretty straightforward. And next week we'll have a look at how to create chart components, which is similar to this but has certain more options. Thank you and see you soon.